Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing this Honda. I'm not sure if you can read that. I'm gonna unbox this Hot Wheels Honda CRX. This looks like an sponsor minute. I'm gonna pause, okay? Something like this, and something like this, and then a few. That's fusion. Ha! They turn into this. So let's unbox this. That's it. Okay, this box. New Hot Wheels car. Yeah, look at that paint wasted. Jeez. So here it is out boxed. This car looks like an initial D car. Look at me drift.